You've heard James say it a million times. Respect the Polygon. At Weather Call, we make the Polygon better. We call, text, or email you so you'll always know when you're in danger. No matter who you are, there's a Weather Call solution right for you. Check us out at weathercallservices.com.
This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Monday, the 22nd of April. We all know we can have some very violent weather this time of the year, but hey, things look nice and calm for a while. A lot of new data in, so let's take a look together. This is the upper air look today. We have the trough that brought the rain over the weekend now east of the state. And on the backside of that, we have sinking air, subsiding air, and accordingly, it's just a beautiful day. I mean, a cloudless sky statewide. Visible satellite view. And we'll be mostly dry this week. There might be a few spotty showers later in the week on Thursday and Friday, but nothing too heavy or widespread. That's the radar composite around the nation. Things are calm. Temperatures pretty far below average today. Keep in mind a few spots got down in the 30s this morning. No freezing temperatures, but a little bit of patchy frost. We've got mostly 60s over the northern half of the state. Birmingham and Huntsville, 64. Montgomery, 66. The warm spot, Mobile, at 70. But we'll be back in the low 80s by the end of this week. We'll check the watch warning map around the nation this afternoon. Wind advisories for parts of the nation's midsection in the high plains. Got a marginal risk of severe storms down in South Florida for the rest of today and tonight around Miami and Fort Lauderdale. This is tomorrow. A couple of marginal risks, one over Michigan, one over parts of Texas, out around Childress and Wichita Falls. This is day 3, Wednesday. Got a marginal risk over parts of West Texas and Oklahoma. Let's keep going. Day 4, which is Thursday. A risk of severe storms from West Texas up through parts of Oklahoma and Kansas. This is Friday. A risk from Dallas-Fort Worth up to Kansas City, St. Louis, and Des Moines. And on Saturday, once again, a risk of severe storms across Oklahoma and some of the adjacent states. But this upper ridge will keep all of that severe weather well to the west and north of Alabama. In fact, the big rains well to the west and north of Alabama. Heaviest rain from Oklahoma and Arkansas up to the Great Lakes. Just not much at all here. This is valid through Monday of next week, and this is coming off the national blend of models. And you can see under a quarter inch for the north, basically nothing for South Alabama, which bodes well if you're beach-bound. Weather for the Gulf Coast could not be better in April. So model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 12Z run. This is valid tomorrow at 4. Again, got a broad northwest flow aloft, and once again a sunny day. We start the day mostly in the 40s. The high will be in the 70s. Delightful. So this is Wednesday, and I think we'll be dry. I guess you might mention a slight chance of a shower near the Mississippi state line, but again, very dry air, highs up in the 70s. Now, Thursday, we will mention a chance of scattered showers for most of the state, but again, rain amount should be light and spotty. The sky cloudy at times, highs upper 70s. And then Friday, a pretty potent low is over the high plains states, a chance of severe storms well to the west of Alabama. But here, Friday just looks warm and dry with low 80s. What about the weekend? How about warm and dry weather? A lot of things are happening outdoors. Got the Indy Grand Prix out at Barber, benefiting Children's of Alabama, a warm day. Partly sunny and low 80s, and quite frankly, the same thing on Sunday. Another surface low is near Lincoln, Nebraska, but again, this upper ridge will deflect the main rain producers, the main storminess well to the west and north of the state. So the bottom line is the weekend for now looking warm and dry. And a week from today, Monday the 29th, a little shortwave kind of beating down the ridge, and evidence a few showers might creep in here late in the day or maybe that Monday night. That's a week from today, and of course, it's a week out. That could easily change. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday, May 2nd. Strong upper ridge all across the Gulf Coast region, troughing well to the north and west, and the rain stays pretty much well to the north and west. So again today, we just don't see any evidence of any super big, high-impact event here for the next 7 to 10 days. And by that, this time of the year, we're talking flooding or severe storms. Rain, just not much, under 1 inch for the next 15 days, coming off the European ensemble. And again, we're expecting highs up in the 80s. Don't have the graphic to show here, but again, we've got low 80s by Friday, and then low to mid 80s on into early next week. And hot off the presses, got the brand new 8 to 14 day guidance. This is April 30th through May 6th. Temperatures above average as that ridge just stays in place. Hey, let's roll some Children's of Alabama Kid Cam in Moody today, home of the Blue Devils. Second graders in the gym. Oh, we had a great time today, and wow, that cake is just amazing. Look at the severe weather timing graphic on that. How do they do that? But we had a great time today with the second graders, and I think they look like third graders. We talked a lot about science today, the science of weather, how we forecast the weather, certain kinds of weather, and they were just great. So again, to all those amazing teachers and students at Moody Elementary School, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. You guys are certainly looking good. So tomorrow, going to be at Crossville Elementary School up in DeKalb County in northeast Alabama, and then I'll be speaking to the seniors at Pelham High School for a luncheon as they're getting set to graduate. It's that time. Wednesday, going to Tarrant Intermediate School. Looking forward to seeing our friends there. Then on Thursday, I will be at Center Elementary School up in Cherokee County. And I should mention Thursday afternoon, we've got a weather radio programming event. I'll be at the Lowe's in Fultondale, right off Interstate 65. Of course, Fultondale was hit so hard a few years ago on that Monday night, that horrible upper end EF3 that went through there. But if you need your weather radio checked or programmed, if you need to buy one, you can buy it there. We'll program it on the spot. So again, that's Lowe's in Fultondale. Thursday evening, we'll be there between 4 and 6:30. And after that, I'll be at the club for the annual Alabama AGC Awards, the Builders Association. That's always a lot of fun. Friday in Homewood, the Trinity Child Development Center. And then on Saturday, it's a book signing in Fayette. We're going to be there. I'll actually do a weather safety program at 9. So I'll be speaking, doing a little program at 9. The book event will be between 10 and noon. So we'll be basically at the Civic Center there between 9 and noon. The book event between 10 and noon. So love coming to Fayette. That's always a lot of fun. So again, the Fayette Civic Center, Saturday morning. Don't forget Weather Brains tonight, the weekly show for weather dweebs, geeks, nerds, dorks, and weenies. 7 o'clock on the Weather Brains YouTube channel, youtube.com/weatherbrains, 7 Central. Most people listen to the audio podcast. That'll be out early tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us right across the hall in Studio A, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.